Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix easy anti-cheat not installed on Steam games. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, when you go ahead and open up a Steam game, it will just automatically install easy anti-cheat if the game requires easy anti-cheat. Now, if the game requires easy anti-cheat that is not working, I'll go ahead and open up Steam and click on Library. Now go ahead over to the problematic game, click on it, right click on Properties, and then Installed Files. And then just go ahead and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. And wait for the process to finish right here. And once that's done, close it, hit on play, and you should be good to go. If that won't work, right click on the problematic game, hit on Properties. Now click on Installed Files once more, click on Browse. Now here we have Easy Anti-Cheat. Double click on it. Now just double click on Easy Anti-Cheat EOS Setup. Double click on Yes, as there will be a pop-up. And then once that's done again, you can close the window right here. And then just click on Play. Now if that still won't work, go ahead and go back to the Install File section. Click on Browse. Easy Anti-Cheat, click on it, hit on Delete. Close the folder, verify integrity of game files. All right. And once that's done, you should be good to go. You can now then go ahead and click on play and then enjoy. All right. That is how you fix easy anti-cheat if it's not installed on any Steam game.